Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're in Prizren. We're on this beautiful street here, and we just had some very sweets over there. That's right called Sarah. Very good luck, all of them. And we're gonna walk over here and we're gonna see some cool places. Right here is a very good restaurant called Panya Theater. It's very traditional to Albanian culture, and it's very, very good food.
Do they have seating upstairs too?
Seating upstairs.
And it's fairly opened recently.
Yeah, within like 2 or 3 years. Amazing place.
It's very good.
Now we're going to one of the most iconic places in Prizren, the Stone Bridge.
Found a lucky penny, or euro actually. If you come over here, we're going right into the Shadërvan square.
Probably the most tourist-filled place in
Here
Prizren.
during night, there's more people than an entire city probably, like all just right here.
More people than ants. If
more
that's still up
people.
like crazy, right?
More people than... There's just a lot of people, okay? There's just a lot of people. So here's the...
What's the story here with this water, you guys?
Square right here is basically a little fountain, and you can drink water from here and then use it. And then it's just very like historical tradition. It's been here for a very, 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 very long time.
It's fresh, cold water.
Very chilly.